Good morning, everybody, and this is the type of news that I like to hear. Feast your eyes on this article and your ears on it as well. So beautiful. Oh, we got two beautiful articles this morning. Now, this article is titled, Crypto Markets Likely to Go Ballistic in 2024, with altcoins outshining Bitcoin. Now that I don't know about. I'll take an altcoin season because, yeah, I make a lot of money with an altcoin season. Or I'll take a Bitcoin bull run, a Bitcoin-led bull run, and I make a lot of money in that way as well. So I don't care which one it does, which way it goes. It doesn't matter. But the point of this article is that crypto will go ballistic. This is what they're saying. There's not a guarantee, of course. It's not a guarantee, but it doesn't matter to me. I'm excited. I'm ready. It's been a long time coming. So let's scroll down here and find out what they have to say, right? And I don't expect you to feel how I feel or agree with me. None of that kind of stuff. None of that. All right. Just here to share a little bit. Just my humble opinion, not financial advice. It says here, analyst Jason Pizzino thinks altcoins could outshine Bitcoin this year as the crypto markets anticipate two potential bullish catalysts. In a new YouTube video, Pizzino tells his subscribers that two massive events for the crypto space are coming this year: the Bitcoin halving and the U.S. presidential election. It says Pizzino thinks the halving, which is currently slated to happen on April the 18th, could pause any ongoing correction. Bitcoin was looking a little bit green this morning, just a wee bit of green. I was feeling kind of good looking at that. I know, Mick, it could go down at any second. It could go back down. I know, don't hit me with the bearish comments. I know you want to. You're probably going to do it anyway. It's okay. I love you anyway. But, let me feel that excitement just for a minute. It doesn't matter if it's a minute, a day, a month. I don't care. I'm taking that goodness and I'm absorbing it. So I was happy to see it was a little bit green and everything else was a little bit green, even though, yes, it could go back down. Okay, I get it. All right. So anyway, let's continue on here. Feeling good this morning. It says, I hope you are as well. All right. I'm gonna shoot this video and then I got to go get a whole lot of business done just like you do. All right. It says here, he thinks the election, however, could be an even bigger event for the crypto space. Okay. Says, quote, what we've seen from elections in the past is it's when the markets go ballistic. All right, yeah, fair. That's a pretty fair assessment. I remember that. Sometimes a month or two earlier, sometimes right on that period. So stay alert coming into Q3 of 2024, unquote. Oh, I'm on alert all day, every day. All day. I'm ready. I've been on alert since we've gotten all those predictions in 2023 about how big 2024 is. These peepers stay peeping the market. The analyst sees Bitcoin correcting to around $37,000 in the short term. Bitcoin is trading at $39,000. I think it was at $40,000 this morning, early this morning. I got up real early, guys. I think it was at $40,000 this morning. Correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe I was sleepy and I just saw wrong. I don't know. I get up pretty early. So we have that right there, okay? Wait. There's more. It says, quote, like we've known leading into this year of 2024, that is more probably likely going to be a better altcoin opportunity for the next stage of the cycle. Bitcoin is going to have gains. I suspect Ethereum will have gains, but obviously altcoins are going to have even bigger gains. That should be a given by now. And haven't I been saying this lately? There's multiple legit utility projects set up, ready to explode. Didn't I say that? You have someone else telling you now. All right. It's no secret. It's no secret. You know, who gets into what? That's up to you, what you do. And up to you to be able to find those things that you feel comfortable with. That's not something we could tell you about. You know what I mean? You got to make your own decision. Can't give financial advice here. But I think most people are already well positioned and just have been waiting for a long time. We're all ready for this rocket to take off. We will be back in the evening with the regular evening video XLM XRP news here. So let's go here. We have more explosive Bitcoin news, which, by the way, if you want the best of the best Bitcoin news every morning, you want me to continue these videos, please smash that like button and please, like Bitcoin and overall crypto news, and please subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, join the family. We're on the march to 100K subscribers. It never stops. So now this next article is titled, Analyst Sees Rapid Price Recovery is Likely for Bitcoin. Remember, it's not guaranteed, just says likely. But that's music to a lot of our ears. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, it is. The possibilities are endless. So let's go here. Read this little tidbit. An analyst has explained that a Bitcoin price recovery may be highly likely, not guaranteed, keep that in mind, highly likely based on this pattern forming in a metric. Bitcoin Coinbase premium gap is becoming less negative. In a Crypto Quant quick take post, an analyst pointed out how the selling pressure on Coinbase has been diminishing recently, probably why you saw that little bit of green this morning, I would assume. The relevant indicator here is the, quote, Coinbase premium gap, unquote, which keeps track of the difference between Bitcoin prices listed on cryptocurrency exchanges Coinbase and Binance. When the value of this metric is positive, it means that the price listed on Coinbase is greater than that on Binance right now. Such a trend suggests either the buying pressure on the former is higher or the selling pressure is lower. Whatever it takes, whatever it takes to get that Bitcoin price green. Bitcoin goes up. A lot of us will make money off of Bitcoin. But also when it goes up, all those beautiful, beautiful altcoins go up as well. Oh, give me that money. I'm here for the money. I don't know about everybody else. I don't know about you, bud, but I'm here for the money. You know what I'm talking about. It says, on the other hand, negative values imply the buying pressure on Binance may be greater as the price of the cryptocurrency listed there is higher now. And then they have a little bit of a chart down here. You'll have to go to the article to actually see that chart. All right. It says here, between the start of the month and around the time the Bitcoin spot ETFs went live, the Coinbase premium gap had remained optimistic, implying that the buying pressure on the exchange had been stronger. All right. So this is something to keep in mind for the future. The exchange is popularly known to be used by U.S. institutional investors. So it's possible that the positive premium was due to these large entities constantly accumulating in the lead up to the ETFs. The chart reveals that Coinbase premium gap took a sharp plunge into negative territory once this event was over, implying that the American holders significantly increased their selling pressure. Coinciding with this negative spike, Bitcoin observed its first major post-ETF plunge. This event started the indicator's extended run inside the red zone, a sharp contrast to its trend in the year thus far. Almost a week after this crash, the cryptocurrency registered another sharp plummet, and with this drawdown too, the selling pressure on Coinbase went up, which means what? Obviously, if that selling pressure is relieved, is it possible? I mean, is it possible? You tell me. You think we might take just a little bit of flight? I mean, I don't know. They could start selling again. You know, there's a lot going on with a lot of entities selling massive amounts of Bitcoin. So who knows? I don't have a crystal ball. We don't know, but it's a fun time. I'm having fun. The possibilities are very, very explosive right now. I like what I'm hearing. 2024 might go ballistic. Bitcoin may start going up again. I mean, it's looking good in my humble opinion. I hope you're all having a fantastic morning or evening, because I know I have a lot of viewers all over the place. Afternoon. For some people it's morning. For some people it's afternoon. And, you know, everybody's everywhere. So wherever you are in the day, I hope you're doing well and it's going great. That's what I'm trying to convey. I appreciate every single one of you. So now that you have that information, what are you going to do with it? I know what I'm going to do with it. So until next time, everybody, let's get to the money.